This box, you get in and you say, what the heck is it? Until you read who sent it, which is Sol de Janeiro. Yay! I love it when I get their stuff in. So I do order from the Sol de Janeiro site. You can earn points. You get a free sample. I chose the little Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Again, this is great for travel. This is great to give out to friends who you're like, have you tried the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream? And they say, it's a what now? And you say, here you go, try it, it's awesome. They will do about once a month for about 2 weeks. They will do, if you place an order for so much, you get something for free. And this time I got their Elastiskin body wash. This is brand new out there, so we get to be the first to smell it and see. I like the lotion. I got one of the biggies of the lotion, the cream, and wait until you see what else I got. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use that one. Yay. So these are also great for travel. It sounds like I travel a lot. I don't travel a lot, but whenever I do, I like to be prepared because I like the comforts of home. And it's just a nice sample size, right? I got this, which is the pink one, this, which is the original one, and this, which is the red one. I have been using the red moisturizer of my rash right here. Apparently that is part of a candida overgrowth that is displaying on my skin, which isn't good. And then up here, I do have some of it in my hairline also. So I have been using the red. That seems to help, but I didn't have a whole bunch of it with me on my trip that I just got back from. So it's a little worse right now, unfortunately. Not tried this yet. I like that. Now there's a smell that goes with this. When I first smelled it, I had got a little sample pack like this of the red, and I was like, what is that smell from? It triggered a memory, but I couldn't remember what the memory was. Yeah, I know, right? My parents live 12 minutes away, so I brought it to them, and I'm like, what is this smell from? Well, my dad can't smell things like that, and just because he doesn't have a good sense of smell, right? And my mom couldn't put her finger on it. So I might send it up to my sister and my brother and say, hey, where is this smell from? But I think if I had to place a guess, it would be something from a Wisconsin Dells vacation from when we were kids. Well, when we were younger, way younger. But it's a smell from somewhere. It's a smelly smell that smells smelly, but I don't know where it's from. Have you ever had that happen? It's so aggravating because it's like it's at the tip of your tongue, but it's not. It's like at the tip of your nose. Yeah, we'll go with that one.